Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent. I was trying to open it and rip the box. Jewels Across America subscription for September. Yeah. So this month it's New Jersey, which is a really cool place if you've never been there. And here's some information on the back. They talk about the city. This one actually talks about Cape May Lighthouse, which I've actually been up in, so that's really cool. And we have a candle themed after New Jersey. Shoreline. So let's take a sniff. Now that has a nice scent. It smells a little light, but I don't know that it will be when I start burning it, but it's very pleasant. And then the other item, the bonus item that changes every month, is aroma beads, which is perfect because I just found I hang them in my closet. And mine are like super old and need to be changed out, so this is perfect. And then we have the sticker at the bottom. So I will put that on my map, get to burning the candle, and I'll be back to show you what's inside. And this is a fun subscription box for me. I love this. So here's my map. I've been doing it since the beginning, so we still have several more states to go. But yeah, very exciting. I'll be right back. Okay, so I burned this for a bit, put it on the warmer. The scent, it kind of reminds me of like a light perfume. It has like a sweetness to it. It's really kind of hard to describe, but it smells good. I like the beads that came with it. I went ahead and put some in my car in a little satchel, a little mesh kind of satchel. And then I have some hanging in my closet. And then I even put some in the bathroom. And it's a good scent. It's not too overpowering where it's like too strong, gonna give you a headache type scent, but it's good. You can smell it when you walk into a room, and I like it. I think it's pretty pleasant. The ring, on the other hand, kind of looks like a flower, so I'm not the biggest fan of that, but let me double check the code, clean up, and I'll show you a better view of the ring. Okay, so here's a better view of the ring. I mean, it kind of looks like a flower, but then it also kind of has like a vintage setting or vintage look to it. So, I don't know. It is rather large though, so I'm not the biggest fan of that, but I guess it's not as bad now that I'm giving it a better look. But it did appraise for $40, which is the lowest that you would get with this subscription. Sorry that you can hear Raylan in the background. I know some of you love to hear the baby noises, but I also know that that can be annoying to other people if there's background noises, but she has to follow me everywhere. She's in that stage, so try to let her when I can. So that is what I got. If you guys would like to join and sign up for the subscription, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.